Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, the 12th of January, and today for our assembly, we're going to be learning all about collaboration. At Elaine, we have 6 values: respect, collaboration, resilience, friendship, excellence, and responsibility. Each term, we like to focus on one of our values. Did you know that collaboration was one of our values? Collaboration is also one of our character skills. Collaboration is part of our character skill, relationships. I want you to have a think for a minute. What does collaboration mean to you? Where have you heard this word before? How have you shown collaboration in your life? Collaboration means working together. And when you collaborate, it helps you to learn more about your own strengths, your own skills, your capabilities, and your interests. But before you start to collaborate with others, it's really important to set some ground rules so that you can all collaborate in a way that's successful. Sometimes you might want to set some rules for collaboration. Just like we have rules in our classroom, you may want to say how you're going to work well with other people. This can include things like using kind words, taking turns, showing good listening, and ensuring that everyone has a role or a responsibility so that everyone can participate in an equal way. If we all follow the same expectations, then you can collaborate more successfully. You'll be able to work together as a team. Have a think. What rules would you have for collaborating? If you wanted to collaborate with family members at home, what rules could you set in your house for collaboration? If you want to collaborate at school, what rules do you think you should have in the classroom? So, how can we show collaboration at school? There are loads of different times that you're going to collaborate both in the classroom and on the playground. So what will you do to collaborate with your friends, with your classmates, and with your teachers? Will you collaborate during a lesson? Will you collaborate during a sport or playtime activity? Maybe you're going to collaborate with your peers or your classmates to create a project. Or maybe you'll collaborate with your teacher when working on an activity or task in your lessons. Can you think of a time when you need to collaborate in school? How well do you collaborate? Collaborating at home is so much different than collaborating at school. So, how do you think you can show collaboration in your home? How will you show collaboration while you're learning at home? How will you show collaboration when you're helping your family? Collaboration and teamwork can happen in many different ways in your house. Collaboration could happen when you're helping to clean up, or maybe it's when you're helping to do the dishes or cook a family meal. Maybe you'll collaborate when you decide what game you're going to play with your siblings, or what toys you want to use together. How do you think you will collaborate with your family, your parents, or your siblings? What will you do as a family together? How will you show teamwork? So, with all this talk about collaboration, why is it so important? Why do you think, at Elaine, we think collaboration is one of our 6 values? Why is collaboration important to you? Well, did you know that collaboration helps you build so much of your character? Collaboration is important because it helps you to learn from other people. It helps you to gain new experiences and take part in new adventures or activities. Collaboration is important because it helps you to share ideas, and also you can achieve goals through collaboration. It's so much better when you can work with other people to reach that goal or complete that task. Collaboration helps you to build relationships, and more importantly, it really helps you to develop those communication skills. There are so many different ways that collaboration is important in our lives. So I can't wait to see today how you're going to have a go at building collaboration skills both in your house and at school. How will you show collaboration this week?